Hello, VAK Muel with 8 plates. Here's how the key looks like. It has an orientation, angel cuts. We will open it with this tool for VAK Muel. As you can see, 8 pins here corresponding to the 8 pins inside the lock. Main handle, pins, turbo wheel, starting position, and with this handle you can control junction of the pins. Actually, you get this tool fully assembled and calibrated, but at some point you may need to control them. Now, to start, we need to reset our tool. How to do this? Starting position on flat surface, push. Now we should align them here. Again, push. And this is how it looks like when we reset it. Key orientation, if you go like this and you can push it, it's the wrong side, rotate, go inside, push forward, straight, no tension to the left or to the right, push it like that, turbo wheel to the right, go back, extract the tool a little bit, go back again, and at some point, after 2 pumps here, but on different locks it may be more, your tool will go deeper with loud click, or you won't hear anything, but it goes deeper like 1 centimeter and it's unlocked. Now rotate, first rotation lock tongue, second rotation here, and that's it. Here's the combination. No damage to the lock. Goodbye.